All right, in Africa, drums hold several symbolic meanings that have played an important part in the history of the people who call the continent their home. Here to give us a lesson in how to play the instrument properly is the percussionist with the Zinc Fence Redemption Band, Hector Lewis. Yeah, this man, my ear say him have about 15 hands when he play.
Hector.
Blessed, yeah, man.
When Hector play now.
Him have 15 hands. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, we're gonna see the demo afterwards because you know he can't leave without telling us what started or perked your interest in percussionist stuff.
Well, I mean, I feel like everybody's interest starts in church. You know, when I was at church, there was a drumming group that came one Emancipation Vigil. Yeah, I think hearing, you know, I think it was about 8 of them, and they were playing African-based rhythms and also Jamaican folklore, but with some African arrangement like breaks and, you know what I mean, dynamics and solos that, you know what I mean, that has have a sound. That
And it just grab you.
yeah, you know, and then you find that after that now, I started to follow like a lot of drumming events, you know what I mean, quietly, you know what I mean, after church. I would go back to the school where the drummers in Waterford and kind of listen and things. So, you know, that's where it kind of began, you know what I mean.
And then you started practicing and getting it trained.
It kind of went further after that. Like, you know, I remember seeing a bridging called Feluke. You've seen him
Yeah,
before,
man.
you know him, the healing,
Yeah,
you know what I
man.
mean. I saw him playing percussion. That was the next level. I've never
Okay.
seen that, you know, playing cowbell, playing jam black,
Anything we
shakers.
can make noise.
Yeah, it's really anything we can complement at the time, because you find see a lot of tracks have more than one percussion in it.
Right.
And especially like with the Afrobeat wave now that I'm seeing, there's a lot of drums driving it now. You don't even hear as much tambourine
Music.
type of thing. You hear more like, you know, boom, 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 peke, 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 and some
Peke, peke.
boom, 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 peke, peke, teke, teke. You know, and even when you check it, the sound of the earth is really, you know, sounds that knock, vibrate,
Yeah.
and drum raise our frequencies naturally, and that's why when you hear it anywhere, we're naturally drawn to it,
right.
walk to it.
And guess what? We just
approach it.
automatically start
Moving.
moving.
Start move,
And
because we're
we
raising
can't help
frequencies.
ourselves.
Yeah, we can't help
That's
ourselves.
awesome.
We must always be reminded of this.
That's what
Yeah.
we're doing.
In the DNA.
Aligning the frequency of the earth.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one thing the food can't kill out. Yeah, I
But
tell you
Hector,
that.
I want you to tell us a little bit about your journey with the Zinc Fence Band.
Yeah, the 5-year journey, it's been a blessed journey. Going to Edna Manley, I used to dream of, you know, working with all, you know, named artists, you know, the Morgan Heritage and so forth, which is a dream still, you know what I mean, even now, because you can do these things. But then, you know, starting with, you know, the band, 2013, you know, it was a joy where we're all there, you know, Chronix, Kelissa, Jesse Royal, we're doing the shows around town. And you know, I just feel like because we always want to work with each other on that level,
Right.
when the time was right,
Just
it
all-
happened.
it happened.
And you know, the singer looked to me and said, yo, I don't want to work with you. And the journey began, and you know, it's been a blessing. I feel like us even paying homage in the music that we've done over the, you know, the 5 years
Yeah.
is what brought us to this, you know what I
Okay.
mean, and what brought even I and I into
the
the
place,
band to
right.
even be able to manifest
Yeah.
what I'm doing now, because we push each other,
Yeah,
you know what I mean,
and
to drive the culture.
And that's what it's about, because we
Yeah,
have to keep our
and-
culture
yeah, and keep that
represented.
vibe.
All right, well, we're not going to chat out the
True.
whole time. I want you to show us. All right, what are you going to tell us? What's the most
Well,
important
all
thing
right.
we need to remember?
One of the most important things about the drum is that there's many tonal areas, but there's 4 basic ones, and I want you to play it before I leave. You have the bass. There's a technique for the bass. Really and truly is the middle of the drum. You can either play it flat palm or closed. No, don't do this.
Which one is this one? Okay,
No, me soon, I don't know, yeah. Bass,
I don't know what that is.
Bass
Yeah.
tone, right?
Yeah.
Catch it, get the mic. For all the drummers out there who know what's going on, bless up, right? And then you have a closed tone, which is just below where the position of the bass tone is, right here.
Different sound.
Yeah. And then right where this is now, you just open your hands like this and play. Open. Right, and then
Tick,
right.
tick. Yeah.
Right here you have.
Yeah.
Right? And
Right.
all of this you hear in a lot of the folklore, like Mentor, for example. And then you hear it in like Dinky Mini with the close tone, you know. A brother around go to. And you have that going, and then you have somebody that does a little improv. And then, you know, you have Brookings, which in this time is one of the music that I feel like really frees up.
Yeah.
You know?
Hey, hey.
King and the Queen of Rebellion.
Hey.
Yeah, so, you know, we make many rhythms as Jamaican, you know, from these tunes. The bass, the close, the open, and the tip. Very important things to know about the drum.
What's the most important thing that we need to remember when we're playing the drums?
Technically speaking, the rings.
Can't work.
You know, nails can work if you've gone through a period of mastering the technique.
Oh, okay.
To me, because I feel like when you have technique, you're able to take care of yourself properly around the instrument.
So you can actually damage your hands.
Yeah, you can. Yeah,
Okay.
if you wear the ring. Yeah,
Okay.
if you wear the ring,
Alright, so
definitely
no
you will get like probably.
Oh, look at his hands
No, I
though.
never wear a ring and get that. That was like practicing a little bad technique.
No, that's good. No, that's so you know.
But you can get an open
That's
wound
work.
easily
Okay.
by wearing a ring. And a lot of people
And because
know
you're
this.
constantly
amazing.
beating.
And I think I need to mention to always keep your hands moist.
Really? Because
After
if it dry, it
playing.
will hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have had like, you know, I've
Crack.
done a lot of bad things.
Okay.
Like playing for like 5 nights and not, you know,
Moisturizing your
yeah,
hands.
enough. You know, in between the shows.
Oy.
After.
All right, so you're gonna
So-
play something for us. I hear,
Yes.
yeah, the one doesn't end them way of.
Yeah, well, all right, yeah, we can do, we can hold our vibes.
All right,
but
well,
we
Christina, you want one
we
of us
can
to
beg
do
a
something
help.
for- Yeah,
over
man.
on this
Would
side.
love to.
Somebody just sit here, somebody can just hold the shaker. It's not shot.
Holy shaker.
Yeah, yeah. And you're,
So
you're in the red.
Hi,
It
hi,
is
hi.
good colors, right?
Okay.
I want you to hold this.
You may just hold it.
Right. Yeah, man, I just tell you, what you have to play is like simple.
All right.
Right. You just have to play it. Yeah. Right. Hey, wake up and live, Lord. Wake up and live. And we do a long roll. Yeah, everybody always know for finish. Everybody always know for finish. Yeah, man, good vibes, man. Yeah, man,
Thank you.
man. Give
I
us
couldn't
time.
do it though. I really couldn't.
Wait,
Because
no,
my
you
hands
can't.
are red right now.
No,
I
man,
couldn't do
you're
it with the
good,
ring.
man.
That's why I make
You're
you do
good,
it.
man.
Oh, sh.
Oh, one, and you didn't use it. Couldn't do
We
it.
should have time to
Mine's
switch
so
around.
red. I know.
Get everybody to try and get all the cameraman them to try.
Don't think-
And the whole vibes. You know
It's a
what I mean?
vibe in here. It
Yeah,
really
man,
is
yeah,
a
man,
vibe
yeah,
in
man,
here.
yeah,
but-
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we have
It's
more
all
drums
about
to come
this.
because we have more dancing to do. So I don't know if you're going to stick around. But we've got some more
Well,
for you.
Sankofa's here.
So
And
she
we've
got
done
it.
a team up before with, you know, DJing and live drumming. So
Let's
you
see
don't know.
what I'm
Anything-
going to say. Let's
anything
see
is
what I'm
possible
going to
right now.
say.
I didn't
That's
even
all
know
about
she was going to be here.
See it there?
It's all right. We'll go
Well,
hold
thank
That's
you for
right,
coming,
mister.
my
Yeah, man.
darling.
Thank you
I have
so
to do something
much.
to take us out, right?
Yeah, man.
Yes, Hector Lewis, percussionist with the Zinc Fence Redemption Band.
Yes, sir.
Will soon come. I don't know. How much does our crew know about their roots? We'll find out now with